Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are fine and good. So dear ladies, today I am back again with another stunning and stylish collection. So in this video I'm going to share with you some awesome collection of crochet made skirt design ideas for ladies and girls. So in this video you will be find out maxi style, long skirt designs, A-line style designs of skirts, midi skirts for within crochet made. Different and amazing designs, amazing colors, different amazing colors combinations. If you love to wear crochet, if you love to wear crochet skirts, so this video is going to be very useful for you, very helpful for you. You can get new ideas and new designs of long skirts and short skirts of crochet made. I hope so this video is going to be very useful for you, very helpful for you, and you can get new ideas and new designs of crochet made skirts. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these types of skirts, so please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, and don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of crochet made skirt styles, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel. And if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these types of crochet made skirts ideas, so please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications. So after getting my notifications, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you, dear ladies, dear girls. So don't forget to tell me about this video, about your opinion. For exploring more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, so please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so I hope so those videos will also be useful for you and very helpful for you. So thank you so much, dear ladies, for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye, dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye.